I guess so. Yes, it might be fun.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can, but I can only drive cars with automatic transmission.
What's automatic transmission?
Gearbox, a kind of a device inside a car that changes gears.
What do you do?
I'm afraid, Sammy, there's no automatic gearbox in your car. You just push the lever and it drives faster and faster and then slow.
Well, I get it with an automatic one, but how does an ordinary gearbox work?
Well, let's make a gearbox, Sammy, and you'll see it for yourself in the smallest details.
Really? I'm so happy!
Hey guys, Sam and I had this crazy idea. We're going to make a gearbox out of cardboard.
Hey, come on, join us!
We'll start with making gear wheels. We'll have a whole lot of those in our gearbox.
I love gear wheels.
I know, Sammy. We'll need a cutter to cut out a gear wheel. And even though you guys are brave and independent, you might need an adult's help here. And remember, the cutter is very sharp.
You too, Sue. Be careful with it.
Okay, Sammy, I promise. I'll be careful. Okay, now it's all ready. Mr. Glue. Now we glue two parts together. And our first gear wheel is ready.
Wow, it looks like an Oreo cookie.
No, Sammy, I know how much you love Oreos, but that's not it, I promise.
I wasn't going to eat it, you know. I mean, who wants to eat glue?
Well, okay then, I'll believe you for now. So, it was somewhere around…
Looking for this?
Oh, Sammy, you saved me, as usual.
I'm just doing my job.
Well, it's time to finish our part here. We'll add a little more glue. It's not an easy job. You might not make it right away, but you'll definitely manage it eventually. Right, Sam?
Right, I checked it like 100 times.
Voila, it's done. We only need to apply glue on the part now, so that it's more solid.
It doesn't look like an Oreo anymore.
Sorry, Sammy, but now our part is a real gear wheel.
It's true.
And it's time for it to join its friends. That's how many gear wheels we'll need. Pay attention to the measurements shown.
Wow, it's a whole gear wheel castle.
That's a great comparison, Sam. And now we are going to make the base our gear wheels will rotate on. This is a metal rod. I'll wrap some paper around it. You're doing great here. Come on now, get wrapped.
Why do we need it, Sue?
Thanks to the paper, our gear wheels will spin evenly and smoothly.
Perfect.
We just need to add a little glue. Da, 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 da. I have all the gear wheels I need here, but for one. Sammy, it's the biggest one. Could you bring it, please?
Sure, Sue. Sam is rushing to help you.
Thank you, Sammy. One has to twist the tube a little. It's fun.
Which one is the one we need? Which one? I can't remember what Sue said.
Sammy, where are you?
Meeny, meeny, miny. Coming!
I don't get it. What's taking him so long?
You are coming with me. Oh, I hope I guessed it right.
That's the one, Sammy. You guessed it right.
I wasn't guessing. I remembered what you told me.
Yes, right, mister. I remember everything.
Guessed it. Right. Why guess when I have a perfect memory by birth? By the way, I'm the most attentive slime on the planet. Like I ever let you down. It's outrageous.
Well, of course you are the most attentive slime on the planet. And the grumpiest one, too.
Hey, I can hear that.
Come on now, Sammy. Don't take it personally. Better look at this. What a beautiful job we've done.
Wow! Awesome! They look like marshmallows.
Marshmallow roasting sticks?
Yes, delicious.
Oh, Sammy, you're talking food again. It's time to get back to work.
Sweets are one of my main hobbies, so what's the plan? What's next?
So, we have to make yet another marshmallow stick.
These gear wheels are smaller than the ones before them.
Right, and I'm going to use this paper tube. The most important thing is that it's hollow. Mind the position of the gear wheels. A little later, it'll become clear why it has to be that way. Deal?
Sue, what's this for?
Oh, Sammy, it's a very important part. It's a gear shift lever.
Oh, I didn't recognize it.
It's okay. So far, it's really hard to tell what is what here. By the way, Sammy, have you seen…
Maybe this metal rod.
Sammy, it's like you can read my mind.
I told you, it's just that it's my job.
So we've got this interesting structure now.
I think it came out really cool.
Well, guys, we have an important task at hand. Making a base for our construction. This is a bearing. A gearbox can't do without bearings. Guys, do you know where else bearings are used? Write in the comments. Voila! It's almost ready. And now it's time to put it all together. Let's add a bit of glue.
Huh, they look like faces.
Yeah, they do.
It's creepy. Ooh.
Don't you worry, Sammy. They won't hurt anyone.
Some common things are much like faces. Say a sock, or our toaster, or a doorknob.
You have a rich imagination, Sam, but we need to pay attention here, not to our imagination. For our machine to start working, we have to match certain gear wheels precisely, following this chart here, see? The gear wheels are matched differently in rows 1 and 2, and then in rows 2 and 3. It's important to tune it all following this chart here. And of course, after you do the tuning, all gear wheels have to be secured with glue.
Still, life would be boring without imagination. I can't wait to try this thing here!
Wow, right on time as usual. Would you like to give it a test run?
Yes, of course! Yeah, it's so cool!
Great! We can finish our gearbox here. Can you guess what I have in my hands?
What is it? What is it?
It's an engine that's going to rotate the gear wheels inside our gearbox.
Engine, engine, engine! We have our own engine!
Sammy, sometimes it's so easy to make you happy.
Come on, Susie. Only having your own gearbox can be better than having your own engine.
And what can be better than your own gearbox?
Your own car, of course.
One can't possibly argue that. Where did you learn to drive so well?
I think it's simple, really. Practice makes perfect. I just love cars. Speaking about cars, when will our gearbox be ready finally? I can't wait any longer.
I'm trying, Sammy. I'm trying. Now there's the final touch left. Phew. I think it's all ready.
It's beautiful. It's perfect. I love it already.
Why don't we finally turn it on?
Of course, Sue. Come on, let's do it.
I'm so excited. And…
It's moving!
We did it, Sammy! Look here, guys. See why we tuned the gear wheels? In the first and second row, the first gear wheel matches the second one. And in the second and third row, the first gear wheel matches the first one. One can watch gear wheels till the end of time.
Faster and faster! Whee! Well, I think it's time to go now, especially as the carriage is here already.
Where are you going, Sammy?
What do you mean, where? Behind the wheel! See ya, guys. It was fun making a gearbox together with you. As for me, it's time to try the new vehicle.
I had fun working with you too. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and see you in videos to come. Bye now!